You're bringing them on board, and that's exactly what it is. So the second step is sales, which is how to actually generate sales fast. So this time, I want to show you from the very framework, okay? So people talk about sales. A lot of people talk about sales. You, as a consumer, you have a product, and maybe you're not having the kind of conversion that you're looking for, and people are not buying from you. Now, I want to solve that. And then people are buying from you, but you're plateauing for a while, and then you can't seem to figure out how to make them ascend of your model. We're going to explain everything. So I'm going to take you from a total newbie right now, and then take you into generating results fast, as much as 3 days. Now, I would not want to overemphasize, because a lot of people, 3 days would mean that you have a lot of intellectual resource, you have a lot of resource, because you do with the most that is available to you. So I'm giving you that resource. I'm equipping you in that light. Now, people are not the same. So I will tell you, if you're a total newbie, you should give yourself 28 days for this. I'm telling you. For someone who has a team already of maybe like 8-7 staff, this person can literally execute this in 3 days. In 3 days. Big. Now, here we're going. I'm going to start from the very foundation. So let's explain what sales actually is. So this is sales 101. If you understand this, you can understand anything. If you understand this, you can understand anything. Now, if you're coming in and you want to generate sales, you don't have a product, don't worry. You can go into affiliate programs and then get a product, and you could tell some of the business, you can learn the strategy and then go to some of the business and tell them you're going to generate them sales. And this is it.